Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off notifications on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Settings app on your phone and select Notifications. Tap App Notifications. Where it says All on my screen, you want to make sure it says All for you too. Click on it and select All. All of your apps will be listed here. To turn off notifications for an app, tap the toggle to the right of it to switch it off. When notifications are switched off for an app, the toggle to the right of it will be grayed out. You can search for apps at the top of the page here. You will no longer get notifications from the apps that you have switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.